New renders are here. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. As we are getting closer to the launch of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, we are getting some confirmed leaks, where before it was the battery capacity and now the official renders of the both Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro are out, clearing with the color options we get in the Watch 5 and 5 Pro. The next Galaxy Unpack event will going to be held on August 10th, where they unveil Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models, Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Buds. And you can reserve your next Galaxy device now by heading over to Samsung's official website and get a free credit on it. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which color options you would like the most in the Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro renders were shared by King of Leaker Evan Blast via 91 Mobiles. A complete 360 view of the watch, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will come with only 2 colors, gray and black, whereas Galaxy Watch 5 comes with multiple color options, Bora Purple, Peach and Classic Black. Both devices comes with the Bezel-Less rounded display but without the famous rotating bezel. As from the side we see 2 buttons, a quite similar design on the both watches, but Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is way thicker than the Watch 5, and that is mainly because of its bigger battery and comes with a different band style. Samsung is going to include a body temperature sensor in the Galaxy Watch 5 series, which was leaked before. Let's see if it's true or not. Although Galaxy Watch 5 is thicker, but you can get at least 3 days of battery life on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro because it comes with 572 mAh battery, way bigger than the Watch 5 base model, just 272 mAh. The Galaxy Watch 5 series will come with the One UI 4.5 and Wear OS 3.5 out of the box, with a new processor and possibly same specs, 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. The European prices of all these devices are also out, where we see Galaxy Watch 5 at €259, Galaxy Watch 5 44mm will cost you €286, and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will cost around €430. Now these prices are for Bluetooth versions and it can differ if you get the LTE version of any of this device. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which color option you like the most in the Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.